Are you searching for the best wind turbines? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best wind turbines in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. Wind Turbine Generator Power 3000 W368 Blades Hybrid Charge Controller, low startup speed 3 blades, high wind energy utilization, easy installation, tube or flange connection optional. Wind turbine body is fully waterproof design, can adapt to all kinds of bad weather. Blades using new art of precision injection molding, matched with optimized aerodynamic shape and structure which enhance the wind energy utilization and annual output. Body of casting aluminum alloy, with 2 bearings swivel, making it survive stronger wind and run more safely. Patented permanent magnet AC generator with special stator, effectively reduce torque, while match the wind wheel and generator, and ensure the performance of whole system. Controller inverter can be matched, optional, according to customers' specific needs. This wind turbine has a durable service life of up to 20 years.